Hey guys, we're on Main Street. We got 202 Main. We got Mode Boutique, Year Boutique. We got, not sure what that one is. Custom Goods, Wood Forest Bank. We got the Old Town Theater, the Crichton Theater. They do plays. Right now they're showing Christian Youth Theater Presents Anastasia. And then over here we have Sweet Texas Treasures, cute little boutique. Almost August, another boutique that sells soap and handmade scents and stuff, soaps and body washes and things like that. All right, let's go see these cars. Look at the boys. So I see some nice trucks here on the left. Got some Mustangs. Visions, gotta check them out. It's a nice blue truck right there behind Avon. Super nice.
Mommy, finish.
I guess that's it for the street. We got some cars, we got some small businesses right here. Support your small business. And look right here, we got a motorcycle with the pumpkin head and the skeleton in the back. Look how cool this is, guys. Watch, she's gonna pass by. Say hi, Ben. So yeah, this is Old Town Conroe. We got a new boba shop right here. We got okay, we'll go check it out right now, okay? Got the blue Porsche. What up, man? We got some candies, chamoy pickles,
And chips.
cocoa snacks,
And chips.
and over here she has like dog bandanas, Frenchies. Guys, this is Mimi's on Main. It's a cute little antique shop. So they always decorate their window display for the holidays. Very cute stuff inside. And there's the Mimi's on Main. Nolan found his favorite car, guys. It's a nice old school Mustang.
So this one.
He likes this one too over here. Let's see. Nice and clean. Vintage. That's so cool. We got the bikes right here, guys. Look at the pink one. It's cute. Look at that. I love it. Okay, guys. So we're off of Main and now we're on Simonton. So we got Red Brick Pizza. This is the corner pub right here. They usually have live music. Madly Bros, Art Gallery. What else is over here? Yeah, see the corner pub. Outside seating. You could sit on this cool anime countertop. And this is a ramen spot called Dragon Ball Z. They've been here, I think, a year or 2 years. They just opened up. And look, they got this dude right here. So it's all anime themed Dragon Ball Z. How cool is that? Guys, it says Halloween costumes, dress up and makeup, pet 50% off taken at the register. So there's like some toys, pet wigs. Little cowboy hat. That's it. That's all I see. Alright guys, thanks for coming along with me to Old Conroe or Downtown Conroe. I'm not sure what they call it here, but I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the town and the little car show. They do it once a month, the first Sunday of the month, and they call it Cars and Coffee. So if you're ever in Conroe during that time, stop by and go check out some cool cars. Alright, bye guys. Give your girl a big thumbs up, alright? See you soon.
Right here. Here's Vato, Tweeta, and Mando. Oh! Mom, I just found like